So I'm with Clive Witham. We're here in Barcelona at his treatment center, and he is going to be demonstrating some of the techniques you will be learning in the Ecology in Motion workshop.
What we're going to look at is a brief introduction of the kinds of things that I'm going to show you on the course, which is about ecology in motion, Gua Sha. Now, ecology in motion, Gua Sha, is based on ancient Chinese medicine, and we're looking at the ecological ideas of the ancient Chinese, and we're applying these to how we treat the face, but also parts of the body. Now, you might think that with facial Gua Sha, you only treat the face, but the face is part of the body. There's no separation at your neck. And so in order to understand what's happening in your face, you actually have to have a look, or at least know some knowledge about what's happening in the body. Now, so what we're looking for is just to release this area, to release the muscles which are going up over your head to your forehead area. And I'm interested in making a change in the connective tissue underneath the skin into the fascia. And quite often, if there's some kind of obstruction, then red dots will appear on the skin. Now, these red dots are blood which is just being released from the tissue bed, and it's starting right here. Now, there's nothing terrible about this. In fact, it's something really good, because this is an obstruction which was in the tissue, and what's happening now is that it's no longer an obstruction in the tissue. This red will calm down, but the small red dots, they'll stay there, and they'll stay there for 3 to 4 days. And we can see the two sides of the back. So this is really what's beneath the skin on this side, but we can't see it yet. But this is what's really happening underneath the skin over here. And it's the same with most people. It's an obstruction which is blocking the movement of blood in the upper back. Okay, starting here. So the neck area is one of the key areas for facial Gua Sha, purely because everything in the body that's coming up to the face is coming through the neck area somewhere. And so it's very important that it's kept free of obstructions in order for the results of facial Gua Sha to be the best they can be. And so we're treating the upper back, and so now we're going to treat the back of the neck, because we're coming over to the forehead area. And so with the neck area, we're coming down, because this is the natural motion of the back of your neck. And now, after doing the face, certainly the bottom half of the face, the area which is below your eyes, that's very different from the area which is above your eyes. Now, the area below your eyes is very much connected with the front of your body. And so if I want to make changes in the area below your eyes, I've got to check that everything is flowing correctly in the front part of your body. And so this could be all the way down to your feet, and it would be your lower leg, your thighs, your abdomen, your chest. So we're going to treat the area that's available to us today, which is the upper part of the chest. And this is a really great area to treat, because there are certain muscles in this area which get very tense. And the part below the clavicle here, and also above the clavicle, this area gets quite tense, because that's where the platysma muscle, which is that muscle which is coming down the front of your neck is really attached. So we're going to have a look at that area.
And we just completed a Gua Sha treatment, and what you'll be learning in the Face in Bloom Ecology in Motion course that he has developed. It's a 2-day hands-on workshop, and I highly recommend taking the course. He is offering several options. The upcoming classes will be in Barcelona, New York, Fort Lauderdale, and San Francisco. We will continue to offer these courses in different parts of the world in support of this work and in support of your work as you learn more about Gua Sha and incorporating the techniques into your facial routine.